We're doing legs today, so if you have knee pain during leg exercises, I'm going to show you what to do with this. You can get off of Amazon, and your gym most likely has a foam roller. Now, sometimes when your knee is bothering you during leg exercises, it's actually because there's something going on in your joint here of where the pelvis connects to your sacrum and then how the legs move. So one way that you can correct it is get a heavy band. The heavier the better, because it's going to give you resistance. Put it on above your knees, come down to the floor, put a foam roller between your ankles, and then make sure that your back is flat. And you want to make sure that your tailbone isn't up to the ceiling and your tailbone isn't arching into the floor. You want to try to have a flat back. And as you push your knees apart, press your ankles in and then relax. The magic is pushing your ankles against the foam roller as you push your knees apart. And you're going to feel all the muscles kind of like a little socket on top of your thigh bone, deep inside the hip socket. And this will correct some stuff that's going on that's causing knee pain when you do your leg exercises. Do it for like a minute or 3 minutes, or just count to 20 or 30.